that bill and the DepEd Department Order on Comprehensive Sexual Education. Kasi yung grupo ni former Chief Justice Sereno nag-express ng concern and opposition doon sa SB 1979 at gayon din po doon sa Department Order ng DepEd tungkol nga sa Comprehensive Sexual Education.
Obviously, the past 3 days, 4 days dito sa Senado, nakikita naman natin dito sa hallway yung mga iba't ibang grupo na talagang very passionate about their position on this particular measure. And for me as a legislator, one, let the legislative mill take its course, no? Yung legislation is a democratic process wherein we need to ensure that all, when I say all talaga, di